We've already done it once before, but we're doing it again. We are filling this bus full of investors, and we're gonna take them through downtown Vancouver, showing them exactly why downtown is one of the best markets you can invest in and where those best pockets for returns are. So stay tuned and join us on the tour. Our goal here is to show you guys some opportunities for downtown Vancouver. We feel that for the last several years, Vancouver has been basically on sale. So we had a lot of growth in the Fraser Valley, and we had values actually came down in the downtown area. We thought we'd put this tour together, show you guys what opportunities are here downtown, why downtown is on sale, why you guys should be looking here.
So one of the buildings we're gonna walk by, they made almost $500,000 in 3 months. So whether that was $200,000 in 2 years, this was so quick. So we're gonna go through different prices. Some are low. So we tend to stick under the $1 million mark because those are very recession proof and a lot of people can afford it. And we were pushing people to buy downtown because everyone had left the core. They bought for $1.725 million, 2-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,250 square feet. 3 months later, on 4 floors lower, one just sold for 2.25. So huge win. And again, we don't want them to sell it. They could have, and they could have made, you know, that was upwards of $500,000. But we want them to enjoy the neighborhood and the baby boomer generation, the wave that's coming, that's who's paying the 2.25 for a renovated version of that suite, right? So some people ask, you know, can you flip? Can you do well? Yes, if you know what to look for. And guess what those suites were selling for in 2017? $2.2 million. So like, it's just amazing to know the data inside and out, because then we can hedge against, you know, what was already a realized price paid and make you guys money, which we love. Not everyone's gonna be buying in the 1.7 range, but is there ever money to be made in that range? You get premium tenants here. It's amazing, and they pay top dollar, and there's zero vacancy. It's almost like negative. You want people to beg, or you want applications and you're going, I don't know who to pick? Marina side. So there's 1033 Marina side and 1067. Again, these have reached really high prices about 4 years ago, and they're just coming back. So there's one for sale on the 22nd floor for $1.348 million. Those again rent for a very high price. Has anyone been to the Arc before?
So the nice thing about this building is you can do 30-day rentals, which have been really good. I do it on mine, and I'm getting like 30 to 45-day rentals. And the turnover, I'm getting like 2 or 3 days in between. So it's a lot of people are coming for work. People are coming, like I've got doctors coming into work, nurses coming into work. So I actually own in this building here in 89 Nelson, and I'm getting $3,400 to like $3,700 a month for a 1-bedroom, which is pretty phenomenal, because on a long-term unfurnished lease, I was getting $2,300, and it cost me $2,000 to furnish it.
What's special about this area that I find really attractive is this hospital that's going on behind me. I'm sure at this point everyone's heard about the new hospital that's coming. It's been in the works for many years. It's the new St. Paul's Hospital. Right now it's sitting on Broadhurst Street, but they're gonna move it all to here. So the projection for completion is 2027 at this point. And the cool thing about this is that they're gonna pour about $2.2 billion in building this thing. It's supposed to be state-of-the-art, the regional referral center for any subspecialty, special surgery. So you broke your spine, this is where they send you. The number that they give on the website is that they're gonna create about 14,000 jobs just with this hospital alone, directly and indirectly. And that's not even accounting for the hotels, the shops, the restaurants that are coming right after it.
So there's lots of opportunity in this area that I think if you guys jump on, if you're not like in the price point wise, it's a little bit not as high as right in downtown, right?
Yeah, so I think for the 1-beds, you can still get them in like the mid 600 range for a smaller 1-bedroom. So the same size that we saw for $899, you can get them here for, you know, $700 to $750. And again, we're landlocked where you can only buy so much real estate around the water. So that's what we kind of wanted to focus this tour on. If you're like a recreation buff, this is heaven for you. So yeah, very active lifestyle. And then a huge park on the other side.
staff. We've got Jenny here from Oakland. She's joining us. She knows everything about the project, so I'm gonna stop talking.
This building is restored from 1910. And so there's a huge component of it being restored and keeping with the style and the elements of the characters back in 1910. So the original owners are named Broadhurst and Whitticker, and that's what we named the project. Back then there were 2 realtors that owned it, and you're gonna see 18 homes built within this courtyard. And what's beautiful about it is that we've really tried to keep that style of social community in that courtyard area.
We will head to the bus so we can get on to our next destination and go get a cocktail. All right, and that is a wrap on our investor bus tour through downtown Vancouver. We showed you so many different opportunities that you can invest in where you can maximize your return. Remember, downtown Vancouver is on sale. So if you've been looking to invest in downtown, give me a shout. My number is 604-365-9771.